Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the best place to save your money. Saving money can be difficult, but with the right approach, you can make sure your hard-earned money is working for you. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First, savings account. The first place most people start saving their money is a savings account. Savings accounts are a great option because they are low risk, easy to open, and FDIC insured. However, the interest rates on savings accounts are often low, and your money may not grow as much as you would like. Second, certificate of deposit, CD. Another option to consider is a certificate of deposit, CD. CDs are also FDIC insured and can offer higher interest rates than savings accounts. However, you cannot withdraw your money until the CD has matured, which can range from a few months to several years. Third, money market account. A money market account is similar to a savings account, but often offers higher interest rates. However, there are usually minimum balance requirements and limited withdrawals per month. Fourth, high-yield checking account. Some banks offer high-yield checking accounts, which can offer higher interest rates than traditional checking accounts. However, these accounts often have higher balance requirements and may have limited features compared to regular checking accounts. Fifth, individual retirement account, IRA. If you are looking to save for retirement, an individual retirement account, IRA, may be a good option. There are two types of IRAs, traditional and Roth. Traditional IRAs offer tax deductions for contributions, but you will pay taxes when you withdraw the money. Roth IRAs do not offer tax deductions for contributions, but your withdrawals are tax-free. Sixth, brokerage account. If you are looking to invest your money, a brokerage account may be a good option. Brokerage accounts allow you to buy and sell stocks, bonds, and other investments. However, these accounts come with risk and may not be suitable for everyone. In conclusion, there are many options to consider when it comes to saving your money. The best place for you to save your money will depend on your individual needs and goals. If you are unsure which option is right for you, it may be helpful to speak with a financial advisor. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.